Workflow at a standstill because of the Company of Heroes 2 module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix this software conflict for good. As we get into the manual process for Company of Heroes 2 module, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This DLL file is the primary engine library for Company of Heroes 2. It manages the game's internal logic, including unit physics, tactical AI, and the rendering of destructible environments for this real-time strategy simulation. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. A damaged or incomplete Company of Heroes 2 installation can cause this error. Reinstall the latest official version of Company of Heroes 2 to restore required files such as the Company of Heroes 2 module DLL. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Company of Heroes 2 module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of the Company of Heroes 2 module DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on the Company of Heroes 2 module. To keep the Company of Heroes 2 module running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.